Have you ever had that problem where you felt totally clueless about what to prepare for lunch or be it dinner? Consider of taking a stroll down to the local takeaway, but you realize you did that yesterday. So you go to the supermarket with hopes and inspiration, but all you see are just ingredients. Nothing seems to be sparkling your creativity or testing your taste buds. Well, my friend, your problems are over. Sharpen your knives, get your chopping board, and we're gonna cook ourselves a masterful dish. Chop chop, off you pop, see you in the kitchen. Let's go. Harmonious celebrations of flavors. What a miraculous dish. 2 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste, 500 ml of water, 190 grams smoked duck breast, 100 grams of ripe pineapple, 60 grams of cherry tomatoes, 100 grams of mushrooms, 30 grams of coconut sugar, 65 ml coconut milk, 2 sticks of lemongrass, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion and 3 kaffir lime leaves, 85 grams of aubergine, a handful of coriander, salt and vegetable oil. Slice the onion, garlic and lemongrass. Cut the aubergines into wedges. And half the mushrooms. Pineapples into bite-sized triangles. Cut the duck breast into bite-sized cubes. Join your knife on the sugar. Roughly chop the coriander. On a heated pot, add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add in the sliced onion and garlic. Sweat the onions and garlic till soft. Tiny pinch of salt to speed up the process. In with the lemongrass. Continue sweating. Add in your Thai red curry paste. A bit of water to prevent it from burning. Cook the paste before adding in the rest of the water. Add in your kaffir lime leaf, followed by the rest of the vegetables except the tomatoes. Always taste before seasoning. In with the coconut sugar. A squeeze of lime juice for acidity. Bring it to the boil before adding in your coconut milk. Finally, add in your cherry tomatoes, smoked duck breast. Turn off the heat and put on the lid. and let it sit on the stove for about a minute. Voila! Sprinkle some coriander and get the beers. Sorry. So, ladies and gentlemen, I can assure you that one will find the curry to be rather mouth-watering and definitely won't be disappointed at any point of time, especially after trying the curry for oneself. Well, I'm afraid I rather must be going now. Cheerio. Oh, and do like and subscribe to this channel. Join me next week for another stunning dish.